Good boy. What is it? Oh boy. You want to go to the garden? Wolf. Let's go to the garden. Let's go to the garden. Me and Riley don't want to stay out very long. There's just enough frost on the sides of these you can't see inside of them. We'll come on out here in a little while and see if it's thawed out any. Now the 8-month-old kitten didn't want to stay out very long. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, December 23rd. This is warmed up to 15 degrees. Wind chill 1. Riley and I thought we'd come out and see how everything did. What do you think, bud? What do you think? You think it held up? You think it held up? Some of the heavier frost on the plastic looks like it's disappeared a little bit. Some of the frost on the totes have disappeared also. And that's actually liquid water on the inside of there. This is a prime example of why you want to have a screen underneath your plastic. You get a little snow on it and it does cave it in a little bit. I don't believe that's touching the ground, and all there is seedlings and seeds there, so I think we're okay. You can see the frost disappeared on the inside of this one. Let's take a look. And down below the hay, you can still see green in there. What do you think, buddy? You ready to go? Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy, come here. Oh, good boy. Riley and I would like to thank you for taking a minute and coming by on this cold afternoon and taking a look at the garden. Remember, till next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.